want to throw some to the birds? Here, throw them to the birds. Sit right here. Sit down. Sit down. Now you can throw some to the birds. They're loud, aren't they? You want to throw some more to the birds? Here, throw some to the birds. You gotta throw it hard. No, you don't eat it. It's for the birds. It's not Austin treats, it's bird treats. There's some noisy birds, ain't they? Throw them hard. Okay, let's give them some of these. Don't leave the trash. Here. Ugh, let Nana move. Okay, now let's see if we can get the birds back over here. They're getting brave, ain't they? Throw it away. Don't eat it. You don't need to eat that. It's a mob scene. Here, tear this up and give it to them. Tear it up and give it to the birds. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Let's not put that on the ground. No, you got to tear it up in little pieces so they can carry it, because they're gonna fly with it. Couldn't you throw it a little harder? Maybe? maybe just a little bit, so the birds can get it. They're scared to come too close. Okay, next time Nana's going to have to tear all this stuff up before we get here. It's hard to hold the camera with one hand and tear stuff up with the other.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Yeah.
What'd you lose? No, I got your sucker. Here. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, hold on. Whoops. That got a little close, didn't it? No, you don't eat that. Didn't you get enough breakfast? Did you lose interest? Austin, look, they're getting close. Don't you hit them with the stick. You're supposed to be nice to the birds. Huh? You want to break this apart and feed the birds? Okay. I'll hold your sucker. Break it in little pieces, little pieces. They like it in little pieces. They're loud, yes. Whoops. All right, let's pause, and Nana will break this other up, and you can feed it all to the birds, and Nana will take pictures. Pause.